So we're finished with our blockout roller blinds, and now we've moved on to our light filter roller blind category, and there's two collections I want to show you, but we haven't quite done with the blockouts yet because this range and that particular blind there is called Linesque Light Filter. That color here is called Lily. That's the white Pelmet 95 silent bottom bar. And you can see on the table here that this range also has the matching blockout blind that I showed you earlier. So blockout Linesque and then light filter Linesque. Now, you may choose a light filter fabric, and I'll just bring that down a little bit just to show you. You may choose a light filter fabric because you want daytime privacy, you want lots of natural light, you're trying to hide an ugly view or something of that nature. You might want to compare it with a blockout to make a double roller blind, but those are the reasons why we have a light filter roller blind. This one here is the Linesque range. I think it looks fantastic. This fabric here is called Palm Beach Light Filter, and it's a beautiful, thick, plain light filtering fabric. So I love it because it's a plain texture, it's simple, it just adds that extra layer of daytime privacy and lets lots of natural light come through, particularly with that melody color.